Hi Ivy, you had asked for another video, so I'm going to go through this once again here. So you can see I've booted up, it's showing nominal temperatures. I'm going to go ahead and let me switch this over, sorry about that. Go to our tools, heat, on extruder. I'm going to turn it up to 210. And for the bed, we'll set it to 60. Then we'll go back and we'll sit and wait for these temperatures to come up. And it's starting there. So while it's doing that, I want to show you I'm using an X-Tech multimeter. I believe the model is EX330. It's a good meter and it's set for Celsius. And I'm going to, if I can do this with one hand, I'm not sure. I want to show you that the meter is working. Sorry about that. Oh, hang on for 1 second, please. So I'm going to heat this up here. So you can see that the meter is working. So it's on 25 right now. I can't hold this, can I? So it's up to 195, 257. So you can see it does go up past the 153 or so that the thing has been in. Oh, we just got a new error. Error heating, system stopped, heater ID 0. So that's a new one. I haven't seen that before. Let me do this here. Is the bed. The bed is getting warm. I don't know if it's going to get up to the 60 now that we had a error. Let me restart this. Maybe I did that too fast. Okay. All right. Let's just do the bed. Let's see if that heats up. Okay, it's at 49. Alright, so it looks like the bed's going to heat up to the selected temperature. And then we're going to test it with the meter to see the temperature that it comes up to. Alright, there we go. We're at 60. Currently at 26, 25 room temperature, I'm assuming. And we'll go ahead and we're going to put this test probe right in the center. And we're going to see what we get here. Should get to 60. So it's stopping at 37. Oh, there's 38. 39. So as you can see, it never gets up to 60. That's the same thing that was happening with the extruder heater previously when I emailed you. Except now it's giving an error. So I'm not sure what that is. But before I would set it for 210 degrees for the extruder. And when I would check it with this meter, it never got past 153 degrees. So that's what's happening. I'll go ahead and flip this over and we'll take a look from underneath. And you had asked about that I show on video some other readings. So just a second, I'm going to lay you down again. Take just a second. Alright, putting the other probes on. Alright, we've got it flipped up here, and you are correct with the bed heating. The LED lights up, but it's kind of flashing. And I noticed over here on the motherboard that when it starts flashing really crazy, there's a light inside that's flashing too. I'm not sure what that is. Let's see what our temperatures are showing on the... It's still at 60, it says. And well, if I get the meter up here close by, let's go ahead and check our voltage here. It's a little difficult to do one-handed, but we'll... Just a second, let me make sure these probes are in all the way. Okay, sorry about the probes weren't all the way in there. Okay, so it's showing 120, 122. Oh, that light's flashing. Might be why it's acting erratic, but it's basically around 122 is fine. There, it stopped flashing, so it... Okay, so that's what it's getting there. If I switch this over to volts, we'll check the bottom. Should be getting 24 volts down here. And let's see what I'll be getting. And we're not getting that voltage down here. Reposition these. Light's flashing again. When it flashes like that, the meter jumps all over. I'm not sure if it's supposed to do that or not. So I can't show you that the filaments or the extruder is not heating up all the way because of the error message. Let me flip this back over. I'll set you down again for 1 second. We'll just try it one more time to see. Alright, let's see. We set this heat extruder. Alright, we'll see what it does here. It shows that coming up. We'll see if the temperature comes up or if we get that error message again. That's, yeah, there it is. That's brand new. I'd never seen that message before. So unfortunately, I cannot show you how the temperature on the extruder only gets up to 153 degrees Celsius. It never gets up to even close to the 210. I'll go ahead and post this so you can see it, and let me know if you have any other questions or any thoughts on what we can do next. Thank you.